Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Viper. Now Viper is due to be released on 30th of May at 11 AM Eastern. It comes from Billy Dar, Finn Goswami and Justin Opie. Now this is a TikTok based product. It's supposed to be the world's first robotic TikTok app, which of course is not, because only last week I actually reviewed a product called Tock, which is very similar to this, and I'm just going to go through exactly what I think of this overall strategy during this review. Now you're going to get free buyer traffic in 30 seconds, so I want to know where this buyer traffic is going to come from, because obviously that's going to be crucial to you getting any kind of success online. So guys, we're going to go through the members area. I'll actually show you around. I'll show you what all this functionality actually does, and then we'll talk about the strategy, and also I'll give you the OTOs just so you understand exactly what you're going to be purchasing if you decide to go down this route. Now guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. The aim of the reviews is you just get a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any kind of products online. Now if you haven't been over to this channel before, just take 2 seconds to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I do new reviews. And guys, as always, if you're really serious about learning affiliate marketing online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. I've got some totally free training there for you. You'll be able to learn how to build a real business online step by step. So let's jump straight in here, guys. I'm not going to give you the headlines. We'll go back to the sales page, and I'm actually going to show you what the software does, because this is the piece that we really want to know about, right? Now the first thing is the dashboard, and basically the dashboard is a whole listing of various deals from Warrior Plus and ClickBank. So you can see what all of the latest Warrior Plus and ClickBank releases are, and you can come along here, view the sales pages, and go ahead and get your affiliate links. You can do that in Warrior Plus and ClickBank as well, which is a much better place to do it, because you can start to see all of the stats behind these, understand who's making them, and learn a little bit more about these particular products. And I got various videos on my channel that show you how to do that, but that's what this dashboard's all about. They've got some overall stats for videos, and then you come down to a TikTok video maker, some video download section here, trending hashtags here, TikTok automation, social blast, generate backlinks, and then it suddenly moves into Facebook and Instagram, Facebook posting, Facebook automation. So basically they've tacked on the TikTok functionality onto their existing products that they're always releasing, and I've talked about these in the past. So let's talk about the TikTok video maker to start with. And what you have here basically is a software that goes off and steals people's TikTok videos. So you can come down here and you can search for certain keywords on here. So I can just put pets here, and basically it'll go and find anything with the keyword pets, and it'll bring those pets videos back to you. Now what you're supposed to do here is then use these videos and actually edit them and use them as your own, which obviously you're not allowed to do. So first of all, this isn't going to be a product that you can use legally, guys. You're going to be using these without the people's permission that posted the original video. So the idea is you would come up to this video, and you've got lots of functionality over here where you can add various things to the video. I can add elements to this video if I wanted to. I could add that clock, I could add this ambulance, all of this good stuff, right? Which, you know, to be quite honest, is okay because it works, but the fundamental issue here is that you're using a video that's not yours. So I'm not quite sure what the point of this is if you go ahead and purchase this, because you're not allowed to use these videos, guys. Now you can download these after you've used them, and then you have to start sharing them. So the issue here is there is no way that somebody's going to see these videos unless you share them, and you've got no real connection to TikTok, because basically you're just using that platform to steal your content. Now I can just go through these various tabs. I can hit popular, I can hit latest, I can hit celebs, and you can literally go ahead and take some of these celeb videos. So I'll just go ahead and look at these. You'll go into the celebs, and you can start looking around these videos and taking various videos using this platform, which obviously is not something you're allowed to do. And guys, just to be boring, just go over to the TikTok's terms of service, read through the copyright section. You'll understand this isn't allowed. Read through the terms of service. You'll understand this isn't allowed. So guys, you're not going to be able to do this legally. So let's go back to the actual software itself. There is some more functionality, which again is against the terms of service. You can go here and you can actually download your videos and basically then share them somewhere. It doesn't really say where, but you can download them. You have some trending hashtags here, so you can look at hashtags that you can use to post these. Again, if you were looking to post these back into TikTok, they would be taken down instantly. As soon as TikTok runs its algorithm, realizes you've just taken somebody else's video, that will be taken down. You have a TikTok automation section here. Now this is just like the Facebook and Instagram automation sections where you can automate comments. Now, you've got such a big following on all of these platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, that you just cannot keep up with your comments. So you need to use a cheap piece of software like this to automate all of your comments. Guys, the whole theory behind this is just flawed. If you want to have any connection with the people that are going to buy things off you, you don't go automating comments. You're never going to be that busy unless you're a megastar. So this is just a complete waste of time for normal people like you and me. But you can come in here and you can basically create comments that you're going to go ahead and post back. So I can just create any old comment here, put a campaign name here, and then create the campaign. And then the idea is once I go back to my TikTok automation, I can go and find big TikTokers and anything that actually comes onto their account. So if I find something here, then type in a username there, and I'd have some kind of template that I actually use as my comment template. I target some keywords, and anytime anybody actually comments those keywords into any video of that creator, this will apparently trigger that comment back. It's just so false. I don't get it, guys. I really don't. Now, if I just come back to TikTok Video Maker, I just want to point this out as well. These guys know you're not allowed to do this because they got the legal terms of use posted here. So they don't care that you're going to get in trouble here because they've just got themselves out of it by posting this because they know they're not allowed to go and grab videos. The other thing is, if you really want to start on TikTok and want to find a way to build TikTok videos, just go over to Canva. Now, if you just go over to Canva and you put TikTok in Canva, you've got a really nice video maker here. I can just go and pick this one. Nice background. These won't be copyrighted. And you can do the same thing here. You can start an element, start in photos, and then add your own content to this, add your own videos to these, and then just upload them directly into TikTok. So you don't need to buy anything to do with Viper to do nice videos for TikTok. Just come over to Canva and do this completely for free. So jump back to the software, guys. The other thing I want to talk about on here is the free traffic. What you have here is a TikTok URL that you get that once you save that copyrighted video that you just produced, and you can go ahead then and share that to all of these different platforms. So as usual, guys, I've actually got a video that I've talked to you about social media traffic. I will post it to the right hand side here, and I'll stick it in the link in the description below. Just go through that and let me explain to you why I don't think these types of applications work. Now, this is an application called AdMe usually, which is just a third-party application that allows you to put all of these different links in one place. The problem is, guys, half of these are not even social media sites. There is project management sites on here, like Trello. There is usually a print one on here, so you can print out whatever you're doing. Lots of these have got no relation to what you're actually doing here. So you're just going to be trying to post stuff randomly to these sites, hoping for the best. Now, unless you've got a following on any of these sites, you will get zero response back. So what you're essentially being asked to do here is go off to TikTok, steal somebody else's video, add a few images to it, share it to your own people on Facebook, could be your friends and family for all I know, and then somehow get lots and lots of money from the affiliate links that you're also going to share here. Completely useless tactic. The way that you do this on TikTok is you go onto TikTok, you are active on TikTok, you post good content on TikTok, and then you get people to click the link in the bio over to your YouTube channels, your Instagram channels, and only then do you start selling. TikTok is not a platform that is good for selling unless you're a massive influencer. Most of the time it's used to generate traffic back to other platforms that you have. There's a much better way to use TikTok, and trying to spam it like this is not a good way. So jump back to the actual sales page, guys. Autopilot traffic in 30 seconds isn't autopilot traffic. Latest TikTok traffic app's not. Tapped in 50 million daily visitors, randomly created that number. Create it for newbies, yes, because you will have no idea what you're doing here and why you're doing it. 100% new, fresh and unique. Quit your job and be your own boss. Travel, enjoy life and be free. 365-day money-back guarantee and get results, or we'll send you $500. I'm not sure anybody who's ever tried that, but you won't get any results from this, so that's the only way you're going to make money with this. There's also this, everybody has to mention Bitcoin these days and everything. So apparently you're going to get automated Bitcoin sites. But again, if they're the ones that have been recently released, you're going to have Bitcoin sites with no traffic. So again, they're just shiny objects. Just jump down to some testimonials. Real people are getting results with Viper, and you will too. This is this lady here, refreshing to see something unique. This is this gentleman, Colin Firth here, blown away. So at first look, that might sound credible, but then I jumped over and had a look at whether this was unique, these actual testimonials, and lo and behold, they're on a product called Zippy, which has actually disappeared. These are two of the testimonials that were on that particular product, and you see here John Horan, refreshing to see something unique being offered. That's this one here, refreshing to see something new being offered. So that was, this lady was saying it the first time round, and then this lady here is saying blown away, probably the best traffic software I've seen, guys. And that's completely changed from blown away, probably the best traffic software I've seen. So guys, these are the characters you're dealing with. They're completely and utterly falsifying testimonials. And if their software was any good at all, how, with all of the thousands of buyers that these guys get, can't they get a couple of testimonials that are actually genuine? It's astonishing, guys. So guys, this software is worth $4,742. And you're actually going to get it for $17 as it opens up. So let's jump over to the OTOs. So the front end, $17. Viper's the world's first TikTok robot with unlimited free buyer traffic. Just go over to Code Canyon. There's loads of these applications. Upsell 1 Viper Unlimited Edition is $39. The Unlimited Edition of Viper has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It comes with additional tutorials. Why would they need affiliates to sell this product if they could get unlimited traffic and sales, guys? Upsell 2 is $197. That's done for you traffic, apparently. Upsell 3 is Viper Automated Edition. Your customers will be able to activate all the automation tools within Viper. Upsell 4, Viper Done For You Templates Club, $39. Your customers will get 200 customizable video templates. And Upsell 5 is 50 times click and go campaigns. That's $39. I'm going to give this a 1 out of 10 just because the software does seem to work. But the whole strategy is flawed to me. You can't go into TikTok and steal other people's content. You can't go anywhere and steal other people's content. Anybody who does that isn't serious about building any kind of business online. All of these platforms have got very, very similar terms and conditions. You can't go in there and take people's content and reuse it for your own financial gain. It's just not a thing, guys. There is no traffic here because the traffic is social media traffic. Unless you've got a following on social media, you're just not going to get any traffic back from here. So this is a complete waste of time. I would tell you to avoid this because this is going to cost you money. It's going to cost you time. And quite honestly, you're not going to get any benefit or value from it whatsoever. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell. And I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to understand how to build an affiliate marketing business the proper way online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. I've got some free training there for you and we'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.